All right, same spot, different day, different video. What is going on, guys? I'm back here with another video, and today we are going to be doing a full walk around on the 2011 Subaru STI. Like I said, we are going to be doing a full walk around on this vehicle. It did come with some aftermarket goodies, and I will try to make this video precise, informative, and sub 7 minutes. Starting off with the car specifically, this is a one owner car. It has 202,000 miles on the body alone. The motor has been changed, and that has probably around 130,000 on it. On to the exterior of this vehicle, obviously we have the gorgeous satin white. I believe it's 34J, 37J. I don't know what the paint code is, but that is the paint code. The car does come with aftermarket headlights, which we probably are going to end up changing eventually. They are hazing over, but it has the solid LED, I think it's LED strip going along the inside of the headlight. We're sitting on some unknown aftermarket wheels. I don't know anything about them. I don't know the brand. I don't know the specs. I have zero clue on any information on these, but they're just straight black. They're satin black, and they look all right. We are going to end up changing them eventually, but that's down the line. This car does have, I believe, 20% tint all the way around, so that is a good thing. I love having my cars tinted, and it's very, very nice not to have to do that on this car. Moving on to the interior of the vehicle, we gotta stop that right now. There's nothing really much on the interior of this vehicle. It's pretty much stock. It's just, there's nothing to it. It is a very, very clean interior. I don't know if you guys can tell or not. It does come with a Cobb access port. Now, this access port was purchased before Cobb did the funky stuff. I'm not very knowledgeable on what Cobb did, but if you know, you know. This interior is very much so immaculate. There's no rips, there's no tears, there's really not much wrong with this interior other than this little plastic piece up here. You can see the paint is chipping off, which we are going to replace very, very soon. On to everyone's favorite portion, the performance parts on this car. Now, everything is pretty much stock. It's a full bolt-on car, which I'll get into it very, very shortly, but you can see we have some Grimspeed couplers. We have a Cobb cold air intake. I don't know if you guys can see that too well, but we also have a Cobb catless downpipe. And with the catless downpipe, I've been saying it in the last video, but this car does have a full 3-inch straight pipe, and I'm telling you right now, it is extremely loud. I'm gonna put you guys down here for a second. Let's just get this so you guys get the full experience of this car. Now, obviously, I'm on a GoPro right now, so the GoPro is not really gonna pick up the audio very, very well, but you guys are gonna get some sort of idea of how loud this car is. I can't do that too much. Yes, this car is very, very loud. I really don't know if the GoPro picks up the magnitude on how loud this car is. It is running very, very rich, as you can see, which we are getting a tune for this car in the next couple of weeks. With all that being said, that is everything that has been done to this STI. It has been tastefully modified, but there is still a lot left that can be done, which I am very, very excited about. We're going to clean it up very, very well. I'm going to fix these headlights. We're going to get new wheels. I'm going to put coilovers on it because right now it's sitting on stock suspension. We have to get a tune for it, and I'd like to do something with the audio, but that is for a later video. Ladies and gentlemen, that is effectively going to end today's video. Fingers crossed I got the sub 7 minutes, because I know these long talks really aren't the most enjoyable to watch, but I wanted to go over everything that has been done to this car just so we are on the same page moving forward. It's also extremely hot out, which is kind of why I'm in the shade right now. You might not be able to tell because I'm wearing a beanie and I'm wearing sweatpants, but my attire is pretty much for my job. I work in a freezer, so during the summer months it kind of looks weird when I'm outside. But ladies and gentlemen, that is effectively going to end today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Obviously, if you did, make sure you leave it a thumbs up. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next upload.